Do you know many people are having trouble with heating milk using their Philips Series 2200 EP2230 coffee maker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Fill water tank. Fill the water tank with tap water and the bean hopper with beans. Step 2. Power up machine. Press the on/off button to switch on the machine and wait for it to heat up and rinse automatically. Step 3. Adjust spout height. Adjust the height of the coffee dispensing spout to fit your cup and place the cup under the spout. Step 4. Assemble LatteGo. Assemble LatteGo by inserting the top under the hook at the frame's top and locking the bottom part in place. Step 5. Attach LatteGo. Tilt LatteGo slightly, place it on the hot water spout, and press until it locks in place. Step 6. Select milk drink. Select a milk-based drink, adjust settings, and press start/stop to dispense the milk into your cup. By following these steps, you should be able to easily heat milk with your Philips Series 2200 EP2230 coffee maker. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Philips users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.